Hey, it's us again. We're just dropping shit on the floor.
Now,
And we just got a shiny face here. Let's turn this off here. You can see us better.
Ooh!
I got a few things to show you in this video, and tomorrow we'll do work in here.
Wow!
So, cool, huh? And, what was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, well, I'm going to turn the camera down and I'll show you what I picked up here. This is kind of cool. And we'll turn it downwards here. There we go. Turn the light on. This is one of my next projects. I'm going to clean it up. It's a vintage tape dispenser. What I want to do is I want to take this thing,
Tape dispenser.
put tape in it, see if I pull it out. And I want this little drum here, I want to machine a smaller one so I can put a smaller piece of tape in it. It's a cast iron tape dispenser. It's got some old tape inside. It's pretty cool. It's green. It's very, I don't know, what's that word? Art Deco. I think the word for it. Is there any writing on it?
Ooh.
There's no writing on it, but there's like some kind of weird
There's tape on it, on the bottom.
feet on it.
Go
Tape. There's a nail. I don't know how the feet go in there. There must be some kind of plug in there. So anyway, that's one thing I got. Will you give me this back?
Sorry.
I'm going to make a new wheel in here so I can put real tape in it. I'm going to clean this off, clean it down, sand it, and just repaint it. Give it a nice shiny paint job because I like these. They're nice and heavy. You go to pull tape and it's not these little shitty plastic ones. So that's our first thing. If you stay tuned, we got some more stuff coming. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.